Anything we didn't touch on, anything that we missed, or is there anything that you would like me to?
No, I think what I need to work on is what nozzles to use and the pressure and everything else. That's still a bit sketchy, but it will be until I learn it. So.
And to be honest with you, because now you move into the PTA support group, okay, it's all there, and equally we're on email and everything else, so if you do need that information.
Well, I'm back tomorrow now. I've signed up for tomorrow. So, either you've done something really well, or I'm just... No, I said to you, it was a tester for me, and I wanted to see how it went, and then, so no, I really wanted to do doors, and I think it feels like a natural progression. It feels wrong to end it now, without coming to do the trim course. That's for me to be impressed with it.
I mean, you've not sprayed before, so...
No.
I mean, do you feel that the introduction course was necessary to get to where you are today?
I'll give it that, share with that, yeah.
Okay.
And I'm glad I did both.
Yeah.
I think if I'd just done the one, I think I may have lost it a little bit.
Yeah.
Because it was bang bang straight after each other. I've definitely gained confidence. I'd like to think that my skills got a bit better.
I think we all know it has. I think we all know it has. It literally just, just turn the corner, light bulb moment. You stopped thinking it.
Yeah, I get it now.
Yeah.
I get the process, and the rest of it just come with practice.
Absolutely fantastic. So you've had a good time?
Amazing, yeah. Really good, yeah.
Excellent. Cheers, mate.